Fitchburg headlines. Here are the headlines that are working for you this midweek already. Fish Hatchery Road lane closure update for you. So we already had a daily lane closures happening in Fish Hatchery Road, but we got additional closures coming up. Fish Hatchery Road will have a lane closures for the week of September 29th through October 3rd and October 6th through October 10th. From September 29th through October 3rd, the northbound left turn lane and the center of the intersection of Fish Hatchery Road will be closed. And then from October 3rd through October 6th, the northbound right lane turn from Fish Hatchery Road to East Sherrill approach will be closed. Please use Lacey Road, Fahey Glen as a detour route, which you can see here from the map. Again, they're working on removing some of that old broken pavement and putting that back down concrete. So it takes a little bit of time to do. But those closures will make it that you'll need to detour around this project. We'll remind you as it gets closer. Fitchburg Urban Forestry Strategic Management Plan Open House is happening this week. Such a long title, but it's good. In tribute to the city of Fitchburg's Urban Forestry Management Strategic Management Plan. This guide will update the urban forestry in the city of Fitchburg for the next 5 years. Fitchburg Urban Forestry Strategic Management Plan Open House will be held on Wednesday, September 24th from 6 to 8 p.m. in the old call room here at our community center, 5510 Lacey Road. If you got any additional questions or comments, you can contact Anna Healy for more information. Fitchburg Fire Department has their open house coming up on October 4th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at station number 2, 2931 Marketplace Drive here in Fitchburg. Bring your family, friends, and explore the fire department, participate in hands-on activities, and connect with family, connect with the team who serves your community, and bring the family as well. Have a great day, everybody.